What is going on? My name is AlTone and I wanted to share today with you these very nice exterior lighting fixtures for outside of your home. Now, I had these lighting fixtures sent to me to try out, and I actually truly needed some, so we went ahead and installed them, and that is some of the video that I'm going to be sharing with you as I'm telling you about these lights themselves. Now, these wall sconces, and sconce is not a word that's really in my vocabulary, so I'll say these lighting fixtures. So what comes in the box comes with two nice outdoor wall lamps, the installation hardware, and the assembly and installation instructions. One of my quick suggestions is, as you're opening up the box, make sure that you're careful, because in shipping some of the screws may come loose and fall out inside the box, so you want to make sure that you don't lose any, even though it does come with some additional screws in the accessory package that comes with it. Also, you may consider opening the box outside, because the foam can be quite messy when you open it up. Some tools that you're possibly going to need for installation is a screwdriver, number 2 screwdriver, a small adjustable wrench, some wire strippers or cutters, and some electrical tape. And the quick specifications on these beautiful lamps are that the color is oil rubbed bronze. The shade type is a water ripple glass. Is an aluminum fixture that is weather resistant and rust proof. And it has an open bottom, so that it's easy to replace the bulb. And you can also use various bulb types, but just make sure you're using a bulb that requires no more than 60 watts. And so the other suggestion I'll make to you is, if you're going to be replacing these yourself, to make sure that you turn off the power to those locations so that you do not get electrocuted. These are truly very nice and well-made lighting fixtures. I actually like the rub bronze look. If you happen to be looking for a good set of wall fixtures for the exterior of your home, do consider purchasing these. They're very, very good. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really appreciate you, and have an absolutely fantastic day.